Welcome. I'm Rudy, and today we'll soar above Germany's most iconic castles, exploring their breathtaking beauty and timeless stories from a bird's-eye view. Let our aerial adventure begin. Our journey starts in the Bavarian Alps, where Neuschwanstein Castle rises from the forest like a dream. Its white towers and blue turrets seem to float above the rugged landscape, a fantasy brought to life by King Ludwig II. Built as a private retreat, every detail was crafted to evoke medieval romance and Wagnerian legend. From above, the castle's dramatic setting, perched on a rocky outcrop framed by mountains and lake, reveals its genius. The Marienbrücke Bridge nearby offers the classic, breathtaking view that has inspired millions. Though never completed, Neuschwanstein stands as the world's fairy tale castle, a monument to imagination and beauty. It's the perfect beginning to our exploration. Next, we ascend the Swabian Alps to Hohenzollern Castle, a fortress of power and prestige. Sitting atop a solitary peak, it's a crown of stone, rebuilt in the 19th century as a Gothic revival masterpiece for the dynasty that shaped Germany. The castle's strategic location offers sweeping views, its ramparts once surveying vast domains. From above, we see fortified gateways, spiraling roads, and a self-contained city within walls. Its blend of military might and ornate interiors reflects the dual legacy of the Hohenzollerns, warriors and patrons of culture. Building here was a statement of dominance and permanence. Hohenzollern is more than a home. It's a national monument, embodying German history from its lofty perch. Our journey now takes us soaring above the enchanting Neckar Valley, a region steeped in history and natural beauty. Here, nestled on a hillside, stand the haunting and majestic ruins of Heidelberg Castle, a monument that has watched over the valley for centuries. Once a grand Renaissance palace built for the powerful prince-electors of the Palatinate, its red sandstone walls now whisper tales of both glory and heartbreak, echoing with the footsteps of those who once called it home. Wars, devastating fires, and the relentless passage of time have left it a romantic shell, its broken towers and shattered halls open to the elements. Yet these very ruins have inspired poets, painters, and dreamers for centuries, drawn to its melancholic beauty and the stories etched in every stone. From above, we can trace the outlines of once grand halls and sprawling courtyards, now roofless and open to the ever-changing sky, inviting the sun, rain, and wind to dance through its empty chambers. The castle's unique blend of Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque styles reveals generations of ambition, artistry, and change. Its downfall, ravaged by war, destroyed by the French, and even struck by lightning, transformed it from a fortress of power into a symbol of impermanence and resilience. Today, the ivy-clad ruins, perched high above the city and river, create a breathtaking scene where nature and history exist in perfect harmony. Heidelberg Castle doesn't dominate its landscape. It completes it, blending seamlessly with the hills and the flowing Neckar below. As we pull back, the castle's beauty and decay becomes unmistakable, a romantic elegy in stone, a testament to the enduring allure of the past. It's a place for quiet reflection, where the past lingers in every weathered arch and crumbling wall, inviting us to imagine the lives once lived here. Heidelberg is living proof that there's profound beauty in impermanence, and that even in ruin, history can inspire awe and wonder. Deep in a secluded valley, shrouded by thick forests and rolling hills, Burg Eltz stands untouched by the ravages of war, preserved for over 850 years. Its isolation has been its greatest shield, allowing it to remain remarkably intact while so many other castles fell to conflict or ruin. Its towers and timbered buildings cluster together in a picturesque jumble, the result of generations of the Eltz family living side by side under one roof. Each addition tells a story, reflecting the changing tastes and needs of the family through the centuries. From above, its defensive position is unmistakable, perched high on a rocky spur, encircled by the winding Elsbach River, and accessible only by a narrow, winding causeway. This natural fortress made it nearly impossible for invaders to approach undetected. This clever use of the rugged terrain, combined with the unity and cooperation of the Eltz family, ensured the castle's survival through centuries of turmoil and change. The castle's dense, fairy tale silhouette rises dramatically from the forest, its steep slate roofs and half-timbered frames standing in striking contrast to the lush green woods that surround it, as if sprung from the pages of a legend. Today, Berg Eltz feels alive with history and visitors, a living link to the age of chivalry where knights once walked its halls and stories were born. It's a rare survivor among Europe's castles, a testament to resilience, unity, and the enduring spirit of those who called it home. As the morning light catches its rooftops, Berg Eltz becomes more than just a monument. It transforms into a living story, echoing with the footsteps and dreams of generations past. Berg Eltz reminds us that true strength can come from cooperation, family bonds, and a deep connection to the land that sustains us. A true medieval treasure, hidden in the heart of the forest, Berg Eltz endures as a symbol of harmony between people and nature, waiting to inspire all who discover it. Overlooking Eisenach and the Thuringian forest, the Wartburg is a cornerstone of German identity. Founded in the 11th century, it's witnessed pivotal moments in history. Here, Martin Luther translated the New Testament into German, shaping language and faith. The castle's Romanesque palace stands as one of Germany's best-preserved medieval buildings. Its architecture blends medieval fortifications with romantic 19th-century restorations. From above, we see its strategic placement, guarding ancient trade routes. The Wartburg is a place of solitude and revolution, where ideas change the world. It's a symbol of courage and conviction, sheltering the birth of a new era. The castle's legacy is not just in stone, but in the enduring power of ideas. The Wartburg stands as a monument to history, faith, and transformation. In the dramatic heart of the Rhine Gorge, Marksburg Castle towers above the town of Braubach, standing as the only medieval castle on the Middle Rhine that has never been destroyed or captured throughout its long history. Its silhouette is a constant reminder of the region's turbulent past and enduring strength. Marksburg's design is all about defense. Thick, concentric walls, narrow, winding passages, and a formidable central keep make it a fortress built to withstand any siege. Every stone and angle was chosen for protection, not comfort. From above, we can trace the daunting path that any attacker would have faced. Steep, winding climbs, heavily fortified gates, and vigilant ramparts that offered defenders every advantage. The castle's position alone was a powerful deterrent. The famous Rider's Stairway, carved directly into the bedrock, allowed mounted knights and horsemen rare direct access to the very heart of the castle, a unique feature that set Marksburg apart from other fortresses. Within its walls, Marksburg's clustered buildings formed a self-sufficient medieval community, complete with storerooms, workshops, and living quarters, ready to withstand even the longest siege without outside help. Its rugged slate roofs and thick stone walls speak of resilience and endurance, not romance or luxury. Every feature was built for survival in a harsh world. Overlooking the mighty Rhine, Marksburg controlled vital trade routes and regional power for centuries, shaping the fate of those who passed beneath its watchful gaze. As we circle its unconquered keep, Marksburg offers a rare, authentic glimpse into the realities of medieval life, where every day was a test of strength and vigilance. Today, it stands as a rugged survivor, a living link to the past and a testament to the enduring spirit of those who built and defended it for generations. We journey north to Lake Schwerin, where Schwerin Castle sits on its own island, a masterpiece of romantic historicism. Rebuilt in the 19th century, it's a dazzling blend of towers, domes, and pinnacles reflected in tranquil waters. Two bridges connect it to the city and gardens, making it both accessible and secluded. From above, its island setting and ornate silhouette are unforgettable. Inspired by French chateaux, every angle is a work of art. Today it serves as the state parliament, a living palace. Schwerin is a dream realized in stone set upon the water. Back in the Swabian Alps, Neuschwanstein Castle clings to a sheer cliff, a jewel-like tribute to chivalry and fantasy. Built in the 19th century, inspired by a novel, it's a personal vision brought to life by Count Wilhelm of Württemberg. Its dramatic placement, accessible only by a stone bridge, heightens its sense of isolation and wonder. The castle's miniature scale and medieval style create a storybook charm. Liechtenstein was never meant for war, but as a romantic hunting lodge and homage to the past. From above, it's a dream built on the edge, where literature and architecture meet. Liechtenstein proves that greatness lies in inspiration, not just size. Above the Moselle River, Reichsburg-Gochem stands as a sentinel over vineyards and town. Destroyed in the 17th century, it was reborn in the 19th as a Gothic revival fantasy. From above, Its towers and battlements create a fairy tale skyline atop a vine-clad hill. The castle's strategic position once controlled river trade and protected Cochem. Its dark slate contrasts with the green vineyards, a striking sight. The main keep preserves medieval elements, while the rest enchants with romantic flair. As we pan out, castle, town and river form an idyllic scene. Reichsburg Cochem is a symbol of rebirth and enduring romance. Our final stop is Sigmaringen Castle, rising from a limestone cliff above the Danube. Home to the Hohenzollern family, its architecture reveals centuries of evolution, from medieval fortress to grand ducal residence. From above, we see layers of history keeps, Renaissance wings, Baroque halls, and Gothic revival additions. The river at its base creates stunning reflections and a natural barrier. Sigmaringen is vast, a labyrinth of wings and courtyards, one of southern Germany's largest castles. Its opulent interiors and collections speak of power and culture. As we make our final pass, the castle stands as a symbol of continuity and transformation. Sigmaringen is a fitting conclusion, a grand monument on the banks of the Danube. Our aerial journey ends, having witnessed Germany's castles from above, each a story of dreams, power, and romance. Thank you for joining me on this incredible drone tour. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to see more videos from this channel. Until next time, keep looking up.